Welcome back. The Raspberry Pi uses Linux as an operating system. In this lecture, I will teach you common Linux command and show you how to use the console command line. Linux is an open source operating system. You don't have to pay anything for the usage of the same. Although the operating system is called Linux, there are number of versions of Linux in the marketplace, going by the name of Debian, Red Hat, etc. The one recommended by the Raspberry Pi Foundation is called Raspbian VG. ls terminal is used to type commands into the command line. You do this to install a new application and to configure the Raspberry Pi. Click on the launcher button located in the corner of the screen and a menu will appear. Again click on accessories and select ls terminal. Now a black color console will appear with a dollar prompt. Here we will type Linux command and execute them. The first command is pwd, which stands for print working directory and shows you the directory you are currently in. Therefore, after the dollar sign in the terminal window, type pwd and press enter. As you can see, we are currently in home/pi directory. The next command we are going to discuss is ls, which is short for list, and this command shows us a list of files and directory within the working directory. Now type the following command and hit enter. This shows us list of files and folders in home/pi directory. Now let us see how we can install an application. Installing a new application is quite simple and easy. Installing new application requires the command line again. The command apt-get is used for both install and uninstall applications. Because installing an application often requires super user privilege, we should prefix apt-get command with sudo. The command apt-get uses a database of available package that is updated over the internet. The first apt-get command you should use is sudo apt-get update. This command updates the database packages. Remember, you will need to be connected to the internet for it to work. To install a particular package, all you need to know is the package manager name for it. For example, to install the Genie, an editor application, all you need to type in the following command is sudo apt-get install Genie is the package name. It will take a while for everything that is needed to be downloaded and installed. But at the end of the process, you will find that you have a new folder in the start menu called Genie that contains the application Genie Editor. Now, if I click on this launcher button and open the programming section, I can find a new application named as Genie. Genie is also an editor similar to LeapPad and other editors. So I am closing this application and I will show you how to remove this application. Sudo stands for super user apt-get, and instead of install you put remove command and then the package name GEANY. It will ask you, do you want to continue? Click on yes. Now click on the launcher again. Go to the programming section. You will not find Geany. The Geany application has been completely removed. Thank you.